Well guys, we are here at Garden Grill. It might be a little bit loud.
Third time.
Yes. Second time on camera.
Yes.
So we just want to show you what's new here. One of the newest things is you have to have a mask on until you get your food and drink.
Yes.
That is new policy here at Disney.
Or unless you are actively eating or drinking while stationary.
Right, which we're not stationary, we're moving.
On them.
But if you are new here, hello, and
Welcome.
I said that wrong. I said hello, hi,
and welcome.
Guys.
Thank you so much for checking us out. Hope you like this. It might be updated with some new things we don't know yet.
Yeah, absolutely. It is a hot day today. It is starting to get into the summer, late spring months, even though it is only April. But guys, thank you so much for clicking on that link. We really hope you guys really enjoy this video. If you choose to do so, on the bottom right hand corner there is a subscribe button. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, so you are notified, and we hope that you enjoy our meal.
And the characters!
So, again, the QR code, if it will focus. There it goes. QR code there. If English is not your first language, we have Spanish, French, and Portuguese. We're super excited.
55 a person. So it's family style buffet, right?
Yes.
So like Liberty Tree Tavern, you can ask for more if you wanted. And it comes in like, so you get your entree, no, appetizer, entree, and dessert, right?
Right. And they also have allergy friendly.
You're excited about the food?
So last time they had brisket. We're hoping they have it this time. So far.
Oh my gosh, it's Jeff! So cute! I love you so much! For real though, like you're my bestie.
Bestie, yeah, seriously. Seriously.
Oh, yeah. I got it. You gotta taste it, make sure it's good. Sprinkle it. Yep. We're under the spotlight. You're so cute. I love you so much. I can't see it. I gotta stand up.
Right. I can see you. So we just got our bread. We got our
water, stay hydrated.
Yes, and then here's the salad
with vinaigrette.
With the vinaigrette,
not ranch like over there.
So what we do too is we also bring our own straws, which Amber just put the paper one in. But so we don't have the paper, we bring the plastic. In case you're prone to motion sickness, I'm just going to put it down here for about a minute, just so you can see how fast we do move, so you guys have that perspective. Alright, so that was about a minute. So you can tell that you don't move that fast. It all depends on how sensitive you are and all that kind of stuff, but it's not so bad. So we just got our food. Alright, so we got cranberry sauce here. And then we got our beef, mashed taters, turkey, string beans, corn with lima beans and stuffing, and Chippendales mac and cheese with goldfish. So bon appetit, everybody. I'm short. Oh yeah. We're about to have dessert.
Come back to get all the way around.
By the way, this is our third time seeing these guys. Uh-oh, the boss. So we're checking in. Everything's tasting pretty good so far. The mac and cheese, to be honest with you, is a little bland this time. Amber says the stuffing is a little on the sweet side, which is, these aren't complaints, they're just whatever.
The taters are good.
Oh yeah, the taters are always good. We did ask for more turkey because 3 slices is not enough, but everything's pretty good so far. I will say, one of the worst parts about eating here is that if you're vertically challenged, you can't see nothing.
Nope. That's as tall as I am. You gotta like flip over. And like the characters are trying to get to you too, and you're like,
Oh, here they come back kicking around. So right over here on the other side is a table. So the characters are trying to navigate the table, come over and lean over like this to say hi. And they're trying to maintain social distancing too. So there's a lot of things. I don't know why I leaned with you. I was like,
I know you leaned with the camera too. Look where we're at though.
So we're into the arid part of the ride. If you remember, this is the Living with the Land ride that's come around. Sorry, I had a burp.
You had a brain fart?
But it's pretty cool. We saw the characters so far. That it may not be true when you come here.
They remembered us. So every time they walk by, they do something different.
I know. It's so cool.
I'm so happy. I love this. I think it's worth it.
So, which one is better? This place or Hollywood and Dine with Minnie?
You can't do that to me.
Yeah, I can.
Because you know I love Chippendales so much. I love the characters here, but I wish Minnie was here too. Like, that would make it worth it. But the food is so much better at Hollywood and Dine. It is. But I like the character, like Chippendale. So I like this place more because of Chippendale.
So what you're saying is you have a bias toward Chippendale?
No, I have a bias towards Mickey.
Our dessert just came. It's a shortbread cake, I believe, or a shortcake with strawberry and whipped cream. Oh, it's mixed berry, not strawberry. But I'm not a big berry fan, so I will let Amber eat it all.
Yes. So this cake is a lot better than last time because the last one was dry. This one's really good.
We ate too much.
We're full.
And we had a festival to go to.
Well, at least we can walk around. Also, you get these as well. And then there's sides.
Yes. You don't get to meet them like we used to. I miss that. Because the food, once again, was very, very good. It was very good.
The characters were awesome. They're probably going to come out for a 4th time since we've been here.
Yeah.
And like, you feel kind of rushed out, but not really.
Yeah.
But as many times as we saw them, it was pretty cool.
It was worth it. But they're always awesome. Always cheering to make your day.
Yeah.
I do miss getting my hugs from Chip and Dale and Mickey and Minnie and all them, but it is what it is. Oh, I got an air hug. I forgot that.
We got a lot of thumbs up.
Yeah.
Air hugs, kisses.
Yeah.
Hearts.
So, you guys, it's me as far as thank you so much for watching. We really do hope you enjoyed it. Hope this kind of opens it up for you.
It might be a short video.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.